Hey kids, do you know what day it is? It's Clean Out Your Fridge Day!
No way! Oh, let's go! Oh boy, I don't remember the last time we got to cleaning out the fridge!
I know! Think doodles for this holiday!
I wonder what's inside!
Let's find out!
Oh no! Moldy fruit!
Ew, gross moldy vegetables!
Oh gosh, oh no, my leftovers from last month!
Gross!
Oh no, gosh.
Loose rice!
Guess we didn't have Tupperware that day. Oh, that's where my bathing suit went.
Nice! I can finally start my ska band!
This textbook is never cold enough to understand.
Just put it in the freezer!
Duh!
Why are the colors still so warm?
Put it in the freezer.
Duh!
When did we get a cat? Whoa!
This TV's so old!
This old haunted baby is so old. 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 Why is there a can of beans in the fridge?
I don't know.
It's not even open.
I mean, it is food.
It's canned food. It doesn't need to go in the fridge.
Okay, well, I just thought that...
You thought about this when we're putting it in the... Honestly, of all of the things that we could find today inside of our fridge, beans!
Okay, I'm sorry. I won't put beans in the fridge anymore.
Thank you. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm getting out of here!
Ugh. Are you gonna help me take any of this trash out?
I can't take the pressure of this holiday. It's just like you gotta go to the fridge and you gotta take things out of the fridge and you gotta face the beans and you gotta take it out to the alleyway and then all the mindless chit chatter. Oh, what did you take out of the fridge this year? What can you not take out of the fridge next year? And it doesn't make any sense. I don't want to do it anymore. Would you just shut up? I am going and I'll be back when I'm back.
Hey, did you get a good haul for Clean Out Your Fridge Day?
You know it.
Happy holidays!